I'm sorry, I'm a bit sleepy. Okay guys, I'm so excited. Up to main cheese in order to see this Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all fine. Today I'm gonna show you my day. I just got up. It's 8 a.m. and my work begins at 9. So I just got up. First thing that I'm gonna do is make my bed, take a quick shower, get ready for work. Since you all wanted to see day in my life, so I'm gonna show you that today. I'm sorry, I'm a bit sleepy because I just got up. I'm gonna brush my teeth and take a quick shower and then come back. So this is our morning. That is the view. So first thing I do is open this window so that I can see this beautiful sunlight, but aaj inni zyada sunlight nahi hegi. You can see so I just made my bed. I have opened my window, as you can see. I'm gonna quickly take a shower and you can see the mess. My hair are complete mess because I washed my hair yesterday and they are complete mess right now. I have to make my hair, do a little bit of makeup because obviously I'll be doing some Zoom meetings, so thoda presentable lagna penda. So I'll do some makeup, little bit makeup, take a shower and then sit on my table, make a tea as well. Cha kaun nahi pinda subah subah, mainu jara dasyo comment karke kyunki main subah subah cha to bina I cannot like get up. So that is pretty much it. Hello again. So I am now ready for my Zoom meetings. मैं थोड़ा जा concealer लगाया, blush लगाया and highlighter and थोड़ा जा eye makeup किया. That is pretty much it. मैं कोई foundation नहीं लगाया because I am at home, so there is no point of foundation, right? We are all good. And before I start my day, I'm gonna make tea. So let's make a tea. Alright, so मैं अपनी चाय रखती हैगी है. So मैं अपनी चाय रखती है बननी ते जिन्ना टाइम चाय बन रही है. I thought I should talk to you about this COVID situation. Like मैनू पता लग रहा है इंडिया दे विच बहुत ज़्यादा like cases जेडे आ रहे ने ते जेडे numbers show हो रहे ने like सब नो website ते they are very underrepresented. So I would really request you all to stay at home, stay safe. मतलब अपनी family दा भी ध्यान रखो. If anybody is going through COVID, make sure कि तुसी positivity उन्हां दे around positivity लेके आओ. Because I know it's really hard situation, especially like for us ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ India like जा भी नहीं सकते and we are so far from our parents and family. So ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉੱਤੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਹੋ, people who are already there with their family, I would really request you all to take care of them. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਓ ਕਿਤੇ ਬਾਹਰ, like it's just a matter of like I would say 2-3 more months. ਅਗਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਹੁਣ ਕੰਟਰੋਲ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ then it's all good. So please make sure you stay at home, stay safe, wear your mask ਅਗਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਤੇ ਜਾ ਵੀ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, and take care of your parents, grandparents ਜਿਹੜੇ ਥੋੜੇ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ suffer ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ. So make sure you take care of them because ਬਾਕੀ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਰਹਿਣੀਆਂ. ਬਸ ਆ ਚੀਜ਼ ਤੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰ ਕੰਟਰੋਲ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ then it's all good. So then it's all good. एंड लेट मी शो यू माई सैकेंड स्टेशन। मैं अपना यूजुअली या तो काम मैं उत्थे बैठ के करदी हाँ सोफे ते, या फिर मैं अपने रूम दे विच अपने टेबल ते। सो इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 9 AM होने वाले। आई वोक अप एट 8 and I'm all ready. People who are new to this channel, I want to let you know that I am on my co-op term. That means I am not taking any classes, so I'm not studying, which is why I'm working full time 9 to 5 from last 7 months, and it's my 8th month. They मेरी कोई study नहीं है, I'm just doing my job because it's co-op. So this is a day in my life where I wake up early, I get ready, start my work at 9, and then finish my work at 5, and I don't have to study, which is the best part about co-op. So let me show you my work setup. एक table and chair मैनू नाल ही मिलिया सीगा with my house, like with my rental. This is my laptop and my monitor. ये मैनू company वाले ने भेजा सीगा. This is my personal laptop and ये मेरा छोटी जी light हैगी आ. Then ये मेरा work setup हैगा, and I have a huge window here as well, which is really good. So I'm gonna start working now because obviously time हो गया काम करना. So it's really convenient, like chair and everything, so more comfortable हैगा. But that's work from home, right? So yeah. I want to let you know about this online IELTS coaching that is available for everyone to practice, to boost up their English speaking skills. They have their website from where you can book 101 session with one of their tutors and practice your English speaking skills. Since many of you were asking me to make a video on IELTS and how to prepare for it, I think this is a really good way where you practice with one of the tutors online, and many of us are in lockdown, so I think you can use this online approach. They have their website, which I will link it down below. Through their website you can book 101 session, you can get free study materials, you can book your online, you can book your IELTS exam as well in your location. They do have an app as well, which is available on the app store. I will show you a little demo on how to use the app. It is really simple to use, where you can again book 101 session. You can download the study materials. You can practice your writing, English writing skills. They have about 150 plus essays that you can write and then get them rechecked by their tutors. So let's see a little demo about how to use the app. I will leave the link down below. You must check it out because it will be really useful. So let's look at the app store. Here you go, you download, you search for IELTS tutorials writing, you download the app. Once you have installed the app, you can see that there are many essays and letters that you can practice writing. There are various topics, and then you can get your essay rechecked by one of the tutors as well. Not only that, they also have various videos that you can look at and get some knowledge about how to prepare and how to excel in IELTS. They offer 101 sessions, as I already mentioned, that they do offer 101 live session with one of their experts, where you can pretty much boost up your English speaking skills. Really useful. Like, they also have various idioms and phrases that you can practice, which is free of cost. So make sure you check out their website and their app. I'm pretty sure it will be really helpful when you're practicing for your IELTS exam. Well, good luck, and the links are in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. Okay, so I am hungry again. मैं हुणे like थोड़ा time हो गया, almost 2 hours हो गए चाह पीती नू, but now I am hungry and I want to do my breakfast. The breakfast ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ I will have avocado and bread, but ਉਹਦੇ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ I'll have some fruit. मैं कल papaya order ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀਗਾ. कल मैं papaya लेके आई ਸੀ ਅਸੀਂ. Yesterday we got papaya. For the very first time मैं Canada ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ papaya ਦੇਖਿਆ, ਜੋ ਕਿ ਮੈਨੂੰ Walmart ਤੋਂ ਮਿਲਿਆ, and I'll have that. ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਆਪਾਂ ਲੰਚ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾਂ ਕਹਿ ਲਓ ਬ੍ਰੈਕਫਾਸਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ I'll have avocado with bread, toast basically. ਤੇ ਸੋ ਮੈਂ ਨਾ ਪਪਾਇਆ ਕੱਲ ਹੀ ਕੱਟ ਕੇ ਰੱਖਦਾ ਸੀਗਾ for 2-3 days, like ਪੂਰਾ ਪਪਾਇਆ ਹੀ ਕੱਟ ਕੇ ਰੱਖਦਾ ਸੀ ਬਾਕਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, so it's easy ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਖਾਣਾ ਹੈ, like you can easily like you can eat whenever you want. So I recommend students ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਟਾਈਮ ਮਿਲਦਾ ਹੈ, even watermelon ਵੀ like ਮੈਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ here. ਵਾਟਰਮੈਲਨ ਪਪਾਇਆ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਇਹ ਮੈਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਹੀ ਕੱਟ ਕੇ ਰੱਖ ਦਿੰਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਖਾਣਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਇਟਸ ਸੋ ਕਨਵੀਨੀਅੰਟ ਈਵਨ ਲਾਈਕ ਫਰੂਟਸ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਵੀ ਅਗਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਮੂਦੀਜ਼ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਬਣਾਉਣੀ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਲਰੇਡੀ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਹੀ ਫਰੀਜ਼ ਕਰਕੇ ਰੱਖ ਦਿਓ ਵਿਚ ਇਜ਼ ਰੀਅਲੀ ਕਨਵੀਨੀਅੰਟ ਓਕੇ ਨਾਓ ਆਈ ਐਮ ਗੋਇੰਗ ਟੂ ਸ਼ੋ ਯੂ ਹਾਊ ਟੂ ਮੇਕ ਆਵੋਕਾਡੋ ਟੋਸਟ ਇਟਸ ਵੈਰੀ ਸਿੰਪਲ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਗੁਆਕ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਗੁਆਕ and on bread I'll show you a quick recipe. It's really easy for all the students out there kyunki bahut jaldi ban jandi hai, so let's quickly make that. Need you so much. Don't you see that I love you so much? Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, darling I need your love. Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, darling I need your love. avocado ਆਪਾਂ ready ਕਰ ਲਿਆ you can see ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੈਂ ਪਾਇਆ onions cilantro black pepper salt and some lemon ਤਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਪੂਰੀ ਅੱਛੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਸ਼ ਕਰ ਲੈਣਾ and then that is my breakfast so ਇਹ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ ਮੈਂ whole wheat bread I usually get whole wheat not white whole wheat bread toast करके ਉਹਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਲਗਾ ਕੇ it's so good very simple easy quick ਤੇ that's my breakfast okay guys I'm so excited ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਮੇਰੇ ਦੋ ਪਾਰਸਲਸ ਆਏ ਆ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਆਰਡਰ ਕੀਤੇ ਸੀ which is pretty much makeup ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ Sephora and Tarte ਤੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਆਰਡਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀਗਾ I will open these packages. Oops. Okay guys, so let's open the Tarte package first. देखते हैं क्या हैगा. सबको main चीज़ जो मैं order की थी this eyeshadow palette. 3 palettes हैगी eyeshadow दियाँ 3 different जो कि हैगी है मैंने बहुत वधिया रेंज ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਿਲੀ ਸੀਗੀ ਸੈਕੰਡ ਥਿੰਗ ਇਜ਼ ਇਹ ਫ੍ਰੀ ਗਿਫਟ ਸੀਗਾ ਫਰਮ ਟਾਰਟ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਮੇਰਾ ਆਰਡਰ ਸੀ 75 ਅਬਵ ਇਹ ਹੈਗਾ ਇਹ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਸਕਿਨ ਕੇਅਰ ਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਆਈ ਥਿੰਕ ਇਟਸ ਸਿਰਮ ਕਰੀਮ ਐਂਡ ਯਾ ਫਿਰ ਇਹ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੁਝ ਸੈਂਪਲ ਭੇਜਿਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਐਂਡ ਦੈਨ ਛੋਟਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਸੈੱਟ ਹੈਗਾ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈਗਾ ਸੈਟਿੰਗ ਪਾਊਡਰ primer and oil face oil so ये सीगा मेरा Tarte का सामान सारा now let's open our Sephora तो मैं इतना ज़्यादा ऑर्डर नहीं किया सीगा घट मतलब 2-3 चीज़ां ही हैगियां बेसिकली मैं कॉटन पैड्स कीते सी प्राइमर वगैरह लगा कॉटन पैड्स कीते सीगे टोनर वगैरह लगाने लई then I ordered the birthday gift isn't mine so एक मैं कीता सी ब्यूटी स्पॉन्ज मेरे को है नहीं सीगी एंड दैन ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮੇਨ ਮੈਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ ਵਾਲਨਟ ਸਕਰਬ ਇਹਦੇ ਰਿਵਿਊਜ਼ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛੇ ਸੀਗੇ ਬਟ ਆਈ ਲੈਟ ਯੂ ਨੋ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਲਾਈਕ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਆਫ ਤੇ ਸੀਗਾ ਇਟਸ ਐਕਚੁਅਲ ਪ੍ਰਾਈਸ ਇਜ਼ ਆਈ ਥਿੰਕ $39 ਮੈਨੂੰ 27 ਦਾ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਐਂਡ ਇਹ ਮੈਨੂੰ $10 ਦਾ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਐਂਡ ਇਹ ਮੈਨੂੰ $5 ਦੇ ਮਿਲੇ ਸੈਂਪਲਸ ਮਿਲੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਇਹ ਹੈਗਾ ਮਾਸਕ ਐਂਡ ਇਹ ਹੈਗਾ ਸ਼ੈਂਪੂ ਐਂਡ ਕੰਡੀਸ਼ਨਰ so that is pretty much it that I ordered pura skincare and makeup da saman I hope you liked it agar if you want to see my makeup my entire makeup please comment down below te main ek video makeup di bana dangi that's pretty much it I hope you liked it okay so I finished my work jada ki 9 to 5 siga now since I'm on Coop I don't have anything to study but I am doing this course at Udemy the SQL it's a certification course and I would really recommend if you are interested in data analytics if you are somebody who wants to do bachelor's in arts or bachelor's in mathematics. SQL is in huge demand, so SQL the course kar sakde ho. That's what I'm going to do. I'll edit my videos, so I have my entire evening for myself, which is the best part about being in a co-op. I usually go for walk, but aaj thoda weather bahut zyada windy hai. Canada ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ the main problem is कि weather is nice sometimes, but like it gets so windy कि ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਾਹਰ like walk ਤੇ नहीं जा सकते. So I'm not going for walk today because it's so windy, unfortunately. But I'll edit my videos. Well, I asked all of you what I should watch on Netflix, recommendations on my Instagram, and a lot of you recommended that I should watch either Schitt's Creek, Elite. So I have started Elite. They mein 2 episodes dekhe, I liked it. So leave your suggestions below if you didn't give me on Instagram. And also make sure you follow me on Instagram for like all the behind the scenes and everything. Make sure you please do check out my Instagram and follow me there. I really want to create more vlogs, but the thing is everything is in lockdown, which is unfortunate. सब कुछ लॉकडाउन ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈਗਾ ਤਾਂ ਕਰਕੇ ਮੈਂ ਉਹ ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਣਾ ਪਾ ਰਹੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮੈਂ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ ਚਾਹਨੀ ਹਾਂ, but I will be making more information videos. I have couple videos lined up. Make sure you please like and comment ਕਰ ਦਿਆ ਕਰੋ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ that means a lot. Please like and comment ਕਰ ਦਿਆ ਕਰੋ. Doing nothing. I enjoy my evenings ਜਦੋਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋ ਕੁਛ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਰਨ ਨੂੰ. So this is one of those evenings ਜਦੋਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋ ਕੁਛ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਰਨ ਨੂੰ. So I am pretty much just sitting, listening songs. So आटा ले लिया ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਆਟਾ ਗੁੰਨ ਕੇ I'll show you because ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਥੋੜੀ ਪਰਫੈਕਟ ਹੋ ਚੁੱਕੀ ਹਾਂ ਆਟਾ ਗੁੰਨਣ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਨਵੀਂ ਆਈ ਸੀ ਉਦੋਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਆਉਂਦਾ, but now I am pro at it. As you can see आटा हो गया पूरा. मेरी आ भी पूरी मतलब ऑलमोस्ट क्लीन हैगी है. Well, I learned this through practice. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਆਈ ਸੀਗੀ, ਬਟ ਹੁਣ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਕਰਨਾ. ਸੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਸਿੱਖ ਕੇ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਆਇਓ ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਬਹੁਤ ਈਜ਼ੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਊਗਾ. ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗਿਆ, ਜਸਟ ਟੁਕ ਮੀ 5 ਮਿੰਟਸ. ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ 10 ਮਿੰਟਸ ਲਈ ਰੈਸਟ ਕਰਨ ਦੇਵਾਂਗੀ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਹੋਰ ਸੌਫਟ ਹੋ ਜਾਏ ਐਂਡ ਦੈਨ ਵਿਲ ਮੇਕ ਰੋਟੀਜ਼. To make gold roti round. Let's see. Okay. So that is how gold I could make it. So this is our temporary setup because our gas is ज़्यादा तेज़ नहीं है. But can you focus on my roti? It's really round. Yeah. Okay guys, so that was my day in my life video. I hope you liked it. Before we close out today's video, I want to show you this great, amazing product that I got from Amazon. It is this night projector ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਸੋਹਣਾ like genuinely ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਹੈਗਾ. It's like ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ music ਵੀ connect ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ and like lights change according to the music. I'll show you my room before I go to bed. And it's pretty affordable. I do have a coupon code for this product. It's BADY0015 for an additional 15% off. Well, I'm telling this because in my last video when I made my apartment video, some of you were asking where I got those lights from. So I thought I should even show these lights because they are really good. So make sure you do check it out. I'll leave the link down below in the description box with the Amazon link. You can order it from there and use the coupon code. Pretty simple and really pretty lights like room da bahut vadiya. that was my day. Didn't have much to do because of lockdown. I couldn't go out anywhere. My work was from home, and dinner banaya, breakfast banaya. We don't usually do lunch. Like sham nu we either have smoothie or cha. That was my day. I hope you liked it. If you did, please make sure you comment, like, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you do follow me on Instagram as well for all the behind the scenes and just to talk to me. I will be back with more such videos. Until then, take care, stay safe, wear your mask, and take care of everyone. Just don't go out. Until then, bye, take care, good night.